Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will demonstrate an option that allows you to automatically skip any field if its value is blank. To begin, go to the menu and under Configuration, open Sale Multiple Printing Configuration. Select the required series. Optional lines can be defined in both the header and footer. Let's go to the footer section. For example, if the bill contains items of only a single tax slab and you want to skip the rest, you can configure optional lines. To enable the optional lines setting, go to the functions icon present at the top, open the drop-down menu where multiple optional lines functions are available. You can configure optional lines by selecting Skip if all fields blank. This will automatically skip those lines if the field values are empty. Once done, save the settings, then return to the Sale Bill window. Click to open the print preview to check the changes. As you can see, this bill contains items belonging to GST 5% and 12%, while the other tax slabs have been removed because their fields were blank. Next, let's look at how to enable optional lines in the designer printing format. From the menu bar, navigate to Continuous Printing and select Sales Bill Print Designer and Printing window. Choose the required configuration and sales bill from the search list, then click Refresh. We will preview the bill beforehand, so you can easily compare the output before and after making changes. For example, in the footer section, you may notice that the discount field is displayed even though it has no value, and when CGST and SGST are applied, IGST should not be shown. With this option, such lines without data can be skipped, so close the preview and click on Design to proceed. From the menu bar, click on Options. In the drop-down you will notice that the Skip Optional Line feature is currently disabled. To enable it, just above it, you need to click on Preview Options. From here, enable Allow Optional Lines in Printing and press OK. Now go to the footer section, such as Total Details. Click between the fields, open Options, and select Skip Line if value is blank. A caret symbol will appear in the front of field. Apply this setting to all relevant total detail fields. Once done, any field with no value will automatically be skipped in the printout. Finally, save the changes and preview the print, and you will see that the blank fields, such as IGST or discount, no longer appear on the bill.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.